Looking for the best budget record player in 2024? In this video, we'll explore the top options that deliver great sound without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as we compare the features and performance of each one to help you find your perfect turntable. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X BT. This is a versatile, affordable, fully automatic turntable with built-in Bluetooth, perfect for entry-level vinyl enthusiasts. It features electronic speed change for 33.3 and 45 RPM records, and its fully automatic operation means the stylus lowers and returns at the touch of a button. The updated X version improves upon the popular AT-LP60, offering better performance and ease of use. Available in black, white, and red finishes, the turntable includes a dust cover to protect it when not in use. With a 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 7,300 reviews on Amazon, the AT-LP60X BT is praised for its sound quality and simplicity. For those who don't need Bluetooth, there's a more affordable, non-Bluetooth version available. Number 2. Project T1 Phono BT. This is a manual turntable with Bluetooth connectivity, offering great value in the upper budget turntable range. While not yet reviewed at Tom's Guide, Project's reputation for quality is well known, and the T1 Phono BT has earned a 4.3 out of 5 rating from over 420 Amazon reviews. It offers a balanced listening experience, making it an excellent choice for anyone transitioning to vinyl. The manual speed change model, with an optional SB version for electronic speed control, comes with a removable perspex lid and a stylish design in gloss black, satin white, and satin walnut. It's nearly plug-and-play, requiring minimal setup after unboxing, and is an easy choice for vinyl newcomers seeking wireless convenience. Number 3. Sony PS-LX310BT. This is a sleek, fully automatic turntable with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless streaming to compatible speakers or headphones. This plug-and-play model features an auto-return function, ensuring the stylus lifts at the end of a record. It also has the ability to digitize vinyl, letting users rip records to MP3 files via a USB port. Available in black, it's a versatile entry-level deck. While some users have noted its plasticky build, it consistently receives praise for excellent sound quality. The turntable has a strong 4.5 out of 5 rating from over 3,222 reviews on Amazon, making it a solid choice for vinyl enthusiasts looking for convenience and quality at an affordable price. Number 4. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X BT-USB. This is a versatile, direct-drive turntable that draws inspiration from the legendary Technics SL-1200. It features a stroboscope, pitch control, and a motor arrangement ideal for budding DJs. But it's not just about looks. It offers a switchable phono stage, Bluetooth wireless streaming, and a USB output for digitizing vinyl. We've heard it in action, and while it's not the most aggressive turntable, it delivers excellent sound with a focus on detail and a pleasant emphasis on the mid-range, especially vocals. With a 4.7 out of 5 rating on Amazon, it stands out as one of the best budget-friendly options for those seeking versatility and quality in a turntable. Number 5. Project Primary E. This is a stellar entry-level turntable that delivers excellent value for money by focusing on the essentials. While it lacks Bluetooth connectivity, it uses wired interconnects to connect to an amplifier. Available in black, white, and red, it features a simple manual speed change between 33.3 and 45 RPM by shifting the belt on the motor pulley. Despite its basic finish, It offers impressive vinyl performance with rhythmic expression, solid low-frequency energy, and an overall cohesive sound. Having experienced it firsthand, I can confidently say it's a fantastic, affordable gateway into the world of vinyl. So, which is the best? After careful consideration, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X USB takes the win for its excellent sound, features, and Bluetooth connectivity. It's the perfect choice for those seeking quality on a budget. Thanks for watching.